it's just a legal issue. I don't want anything to embarrass you politically or anything else. This is a legal procedure within the authority of the court, unless this court is not free court. Someone is controlling you. So why don't you? The master who is not a master, the United States, the Americans, if they are controlling this court, or the others, the ones that they brought to the authority, are controlling. This is all I'm requesting, legal requests. I don't want to repeat them. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are requests by the lawyers. Why don't you accommodate them? How can someone have a case that complicated without a lawyer? If me personally, my case, my cause, my struggle, my life, if you look at it, it's not too much that they bring 1,000 lawyers for me. Fill the whole court. In 1964, when Saddam Hussein, a student in a law school, was also a leader in a party. 64, you were in the law school? Yes, in 1964. 68 lawyers, volunteers to defend me, free of charge. Thank God for them, protect them, may God protect them, and enable them to do good deeds. So, I found myself few lawyers, half of them killed. Is this moral? Do you accept that to happen? This, despite what you think about me, despite your opinions, is this acceptable? I've been the president for 35 years and more than 40 years carrying the struggle for the people. Would you accept that morally? Lawyers volunteering free of charge and they get killed? I don't accept that. Listen, the judge, listen, you said I'm going to say a few words. Now this is a speech. If you have a speech, now keep it for yourself. You said few words. You understand the Arabic language. You know the difference between, judge, this is legal speech. A speech by Saddam Hussein is not something small. You know me when I have a speech. When I say something, I mean a lot. So, is it too much to protect the lawyers? They are asking for protection, nothing else. And when they requested that, I support them. I'm convinced that it's their right legally to receive these protection and even more. I worked with them, I support them. I have a hunger strike to show the world that we are serious, and I decline to attend. Listen, now you are in a position to defend yourself, or are you defending your lawyers? Make up your mind. I refuse the wrong any place in the world, even if it's not in my country. Yes, it's your right. This is a humanitarian position. I grew up to be a humanitarian person. Maybe some of you, you know me, you lived under me and you know that about me. And based on that, I refuse to attend in front of this court because of all what I mentioned now and before. I support my lawyers. At the same time, the court have the right to make the decision that see fit when and for whoever the court wants. Thank you. Sit down. Please, have a seat. Saddam, I need to leave. No, sit in your chair. Any lawyer that the court will appoint is an enemy of the people, and the people will kill him. Listen. I want to read to you the law of 1971 that is modified under you when you were the president of the country. This is a law that issued in your time. Listen, let me read it to you. Article 145. The defendant should arrive in the courts even if the lawyer does not attend. This is the words of the code, the law that issued by you. Now you are denying this law after you fell? No, I'm with the law. But it should be applied correctly. The judge. Okay, we are applying it correctly. The general opinion, Judge Rauf, Your Honor, please. No, you listen. You said you're sick. We are not forcing you to bring you here, despite your will. This is the letter that was issued by the doctor in 26 of this month, 2006. The letter is issued for me from the physician. We examined Mr. Saddam Hussein this morning to see his health condition, and we discovered that he can attend before the courts in all his strength. Signature, the doctor. Yes, and even after 10 months, I'm still strong. I will come here. The judge. This report is part of the record of this court. Saddam, I didn't say I am sick. I said hunger strike. Can you imagine? 20 days Saddam Hussein is not eating. Do you think I would come here and I would not be able to speak? The judge. Listen, we're wasting our time. Now, the first thing, I would like to listen to the appointed lawyers. Bring them. Saddam, I refuse those lawyers. The judge, yeah, okay, refuse whatever you want. The judge will apply the law. I don't care if you accept or refuse. No, judge. The law said that the court appoints lawyers, but if so-called defendant cannot hire lawyers, then you hire lawyers. Okay, where is your lawyers? Judge, I am capable. I can afford lawyers. Where are your lawyers? Your lawyers are sitting in foreign countries in front of the TV cameras. You call those lawyers? You call those lawyers? Yes, my lawyers are the most honorable lawyers. They are going out of the country and they keep talking and they get paid billions of dollars and they are enticing violence. Listen, Saddam Hussein, listen. It's better that the lawyers that you bring them to me and they are getting paid by dollars. Listen, Saddam, your lawyers are getting paid millions of dinars. Those are not lawyers. They entice violence. I know my lawyers, Judge. They are all volunteers. Look, we called them. We told them when is the session, and we asked them to come represent you. Now they keep talking about politics. Now you are a man who can understand. We're read, and you know the world, history and current. Have you ever seen lawyers go to foreign capitals in front of the TVs every day giving political speech while the man he represents is in court waiting for them? You call those lawyers? Those are people that are enticing people. But despite that, we will finish the court. We will carry justice, God's willing. The appointed lawyer, please start.